Prime lost. Kane dead. How can this be?
No one can replace Kane. But it is now my duty, my blood oath, to lead our brotherhood through this trying time. And I say there is no time for mourning. We must turn our grief into anger and leave the past behind us. We must put all talk of ascension aside. Our only goal should be to take back this...
Kane?
We will deal with General Qatar in time. Her lack of faith is indeed lamentable, and she will pay for her betrayal. But for now, however, we have more pressing concerns.
How did you survive?
I wasn't at Temple Prime, Abbess. That was simply the bait.
You wanted GDI to use the ion cannon?
Redmond Boyle did exactly as I predicted. After all, he is a politician. And as the killer of Kane, he is now a hero. A hero who has no idea what he has unleashed. Soon, however, the entire planet will know. For the visitors are arriving even as we speak. Only the ion cannon could generate enough energy to create a chain reaction in the liquid Tiberium. The energy released was so extraordinary it captured the attention of our visitors, just as the Tacitus prophesied. The visitors are constructing towers all across the Earth, and we must stop GDI from destroying them, for they will be portals. Gateways to a civilization far beyond our own. There is much for us to learn, my child. Much for us to learn.
Legion, I have been informed of a new alien offensive. Forces are materializing within Yellow Zone cities and enslaving the populace. The support of the Yellow Zone is essential to Nod's survival. We must defend these cities, these people, as if they were the Prophet himself.
Incoming transmission. Legion, aliens have taken control of this Nod loyalist city, destabilizing our hold on the region. Eliminate all drone platforms and reclaim the city.
Ready to go!
Construction complete. Construction complete. New bonus objective. New construction options. Training. Building.
We're ready.
Unit under attack. Our base is under attack.
Let's go on a raid.
Construction complete.
Let's go on a raid.
New construction options. Building. Building.
Let's go on a raid. I got something for him.
Construction complete.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go on a raid. What on earth is that?
Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Training.
The Brotherhood has
Building.
It's got a bug on its head!
Our base is under attack.
Keep firing! You
Unit
want to see
promoted.
this? It's getting away! Let's go, let's go!
Construction complete.
What are they doing to those militiamen? On the move! Nobody hijacks my brain control! Away with it! How do you like the taste of that?
Unit lost. Unit under attack. Low power.
We must get to work.
Building.
Do it quick!
Building captured.
My aching head!
Construction complete. Building.
What? Let's get some payback!
Flame tank.
Unit under attack.
The fuel hungers.
What's
I
the
see
plan?
the glow. Keep it safe.
Tiberium exposure detected.
Everything is prepared. We will wait.
Construction complete.
Keep it safe.
Under
Our
attack.
enemies will be vanquished.
New construction options. Unit promoted.
The cities of Nod will rise. Not toy with the power of the flame. Everything is prepared.
Our base is under attack.
Respect the flame.
Unit under attack. Repairing.
The foundation must be
Construction
true.
options.
Do not toy with the power of the flame.
Unit promoted.
The fuel hungers. Cleansing fire.
Repairing. Construction complete. Tiberium field depleted. On hold. Cancelled. Building. Our base is under attack. On hold. Cancelled. Unit under attack. Repairing. Construction complete. Building.
I see the glow.
Construction complete. New construction options.
We must share this gift.
Under attack.
Everything must burn.
Unit promoted. Building.
None can stop us.
Training.
The tides will not yield. Steady now. Take it slow. The flames will rise. Flame tank. The fuel hungers.
Unit under attack. Training. Unit lost. On hold. Cancelled.
The drone ship is lifting off!
Flames will rise. Guard the tanks well. Steady now.
Has arrived. Unit promoted. New construction
Flames
options.
will
Construction
rise.
complete. Training. Cannot deploy here.
Respect the flame.
Under attack.
Metacraft ready for liftoff.
The flames will rise. We start.
Metacraft ready for
Building.
liftoff.
The Black Hand has arrived.
Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
Guard the tanks well.
The Black Hand has arrived.
Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
Guard the tanks well.
Construction complete. The Black Hand has arrived. Training.
Venomcraft ready for
Tides will
liftoff.
not yield. Everything is prepared.
The Black Hand has arrived.
Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
Building.
The flames will rise.
Unit under attack.
I see the
Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
We must get closer. Steady now.
Construction
Will
complete.
rise.
Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
They're on the move!
Unit lost.
flames
Harvester
will
under
rise.
attack.
Run, you sons of...
Unit under attack. Tiberium explosion detected.
Flames
Our base is under attack. Building.
Guard the tank wells. Keep it safe. The Black Hand awaits.
Construction complete. Harvester under attack. Unit under attack. Building. Unit promoted.
We are prepared.
Our base is under attack.
Keep it safe. Steady now.
Construction complete. Building. Unit under attack.
We are ready.
Construction complete.
It must be purified.
Unit lost.
Ashes will fall and close upon them. Take it slow. No one escapes the heat. Everything is prepared.
Training. Training. Unit under
Guard the
attack.
tanks well. Steady now.
Training. Our base is under attack.
ready.
Ready to lift.
You're not backing down.
Cleared for combat.
One mission. The Scorpion's ready.
Venom craft ready for liftoff.
The Scorpion's ready.
Under attack. Construction complete.
Venom craft ready for liftoff. Stealth tank cleared for combat.
The Scorpion's ready.
Under attack.
Venom craft
Let's
ready
get
for
out there.
liftoff.
Forward. The Scorpion's ready.
Venom craft ready for liftoff. Stealth tank cleared for combat.
That is mission to be done. The
Venom
Scorpion's
craft ready
ready.
for liftoff. The tides will not yield. Go ahead. Control craft. Venom craft ready for liftoff.
Our base is under attack.
Stealth tank cleared for combat. Venom craft ready for liftoff. Tracking target. Venom craft ready for liftoff. See anything? Venom craft ready for liftoff.
Lost. Unit under attack. Our base is under
Venom
attack.
craft ready for liftoff. Keep alert. Venom craft ready for liftoff. Stealth tank cleared for combat. You'll hide there. Venom craft ready for liftoff. Gliding over. Patrol craft. Clear. Copy that.
Unit under attack.
Check. Venom craft ready for liftoff. On patrol. Copy that. Stealth tank cleared for combat.
Tiberium exposure detected.
Venom craft ready for liftoff. Ashes will fall. Venom craft ready for liftoff. We will wait. The tides will not yield. Venom craft ready for
Unit under attack.
The fuel hungers.
Unit promoted.
I see the glow. There.
Tiberium exposure detected.
Take it slow. Our enemies will be vanquished.
Unit lost.
Steady now. Venomcraft ready for liftoff.
Unit under attack.
Legion. I address you, and you alone, first. Know that you are more than a mere neural network. Your design is drawn from the Tacitus itself. You You are connected to the artifact. Now, know
One
this.
big bug.
As the visitor's tower is near completion, the Tacitus has begun to transmit a signal only you can receive. You must find it, liberate it. The Tacitus is the key to ascension and beyond. Not everyone can be trusted, my child.
Behold,
Wary.
nothing can stand
Even of
against
those
the
with the
Brotherhood.
best of intentions can go wrong.
Silos needed. Incoming transmission. This massive alien is a threat to all Nod holdings in the region. Take it out. Unit under attack. Unit promoted.
Stay at sea.
Let's make this quick.
Stay at sea.
New bonus objective. Nuclear missile ready.
Let's wait there. The tides will not yield.
Advancing.
Receive.
Unit lost.
Let's take a bomb.
Unit under attack.
Closing in. Let's take a bomb.
They're not going anywhere. Heading there now.
Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Training. 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 Training.
The Black Hand has arrived.
Unit under attack.
The Scorpion's ready.
The Black Hand has arrived.
Cancelled. Training.
The Scorpion's ready.
Vertigo, flight check.
Burn them out. The Scorpion's ready. Burn them out.
Unit lost.
We
Our
will
base
wait.
is under attack.
The Black
Unit
Hand
under
has
attack.
The Scorpion's
Tiberium
ready.
explosion
Vertigo, flight
detected.
check complete.
There is work to be done. The Black Hand has arrived. We have
The
orders.
Scorpion's ready.
Insufficient funds.
In position. Forward.
Bonus objective complete.
One mission, one purpose. This way. The Black Hand has
Nuclear
arrived.
missile launched.
The Scorpion's
Vertigo,
ready.
flight check complete.
Unit under attack. Tiberium
What's
field
the plan?
depleted.
In position. Received. Begin the assault. The Scorpion's ready.
Venom craft ready for liftoff.
Ready for coordinates. Attack run confirmed.
Unit under attack. Unit promoted.
Let's
Unit
get out
lost.
there. We are going. Forward.
Black Hand has arrived.
Received. The
Venom craft
Scorpion's
ready for
ready.
liftoff.
Cleared for combat. Keep rocking.
The Black Hand awaits. Enemies of Kane. They think they are safe.
Unit under attack.
Eliminate them.
We have nothing. The Scorpion's in range. On the move. Blow him open.
Enemy engaged.
Unit promoted.
Fear.
You survived. I can't. No matter. We must keep on. The Tacitus is on the move. The Prophet requires it, and you are his chosen.
Mission accomplished.